Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can copy hashtags on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and you simply need to select a post with the hashtags. Here you can see that, and after that you need to take a screenshot. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open your gallery, and from here you need to select the post. Okay, and here you can see hashtag. You simply need to select Google Lens. Okay, and it will start analyzing the text. So you simply need to click on text, and from here you need to select the text that you want. So you can select text from here. So let me select with the hashtags. I'm going to select this one from here to this, and once it is selected, then you simply need to copy text and you can share hashtags with someone if you want. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.